In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage smart content rules in HubSpot. To do that, head over right here into your content, and then go over to the page that you want to edit or select the content you want to personalize. Let's open right here our page by clicking onto the actual name. Now, once we're in there, you need to head over and then create or make a smart rule. So you can click on this plus icon, click onto the search bar, and search right here for smart rule. You can find it right here. You can head over and click on edit and change right here as well onto the settings. Head over onto that, click onto the advanced. You can see right here your code snippets as well as page sheets and likes. So you can just click on make smart or add smart rule onto the actual editor and select the rule based onto the contact list that you want available. You can also click onto this icon right here to see the content and then add right here the rule on the associated content as well. So that's all there is today. If you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, be sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.